In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your website by copying your Google tag directly from Google Analytics and adding it to your site. Start by signing in to your Google Analytics account. Once you're on the main analytics screen, click the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the admin area, look for the data collection and modification section. Then select data streams. This is where Google Analytics manages the sources sending visitor data into your property. Choose your website's data stream to open its settings. Then under the Google Tag section, click View Tag Instructions. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics and e-commerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now select the Install Manually tab. You'll see a JavaScript snippet beginning with Google Tag or gtag.js. Copy the entire code block, not just part of it, since this is what connects your website to your Google Analytics property. Next, open your website's code or tracking settings. Paste the full Google Tag snippet into the site-wide head section so it loads on every page of your website. If your website builder has a custom code or header code area, that's typically where this tag should go. Save or publish your changes once the code has been added. From that point on, Google Analytics can begin collecting data from visitors across your site. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Google Analytics tracking code on your website.